Ditch the plastic, embrace the future. Here's how Esim's on your iPhone 14, powered by Mint Mobile, will revolutionize your mobile experience. Let's dive in. An Esim, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card built directly into your iPhone 14. Unlike the traditional physical SIM card, there's no tiny piece of plastic needed. This means a streamlined setup. With Mint Mobile on your iPhone 14, it's all about convenience and efficiency. Getting started is easy. First, visit the Mint Mobile website or use the Mint Mobile app to purchase a plan. During the sign-up process, you'll select the option to use an Esim. You'll then typically receive a QR code or sometimes have a digital activation link. Now, on your iPhone 14, go to Settings, then Cellular. Select the option to add cellular plan. If you have a QR code, point your iPhone 14's camera at it to scan. Your iPhone will then detect the Mint Mobile eSIM profile. Your iPhone 14 will begin installing the Mint Mobile profile. Once the profile has downloaded, follow the on-screen prompts, which usually involve confirming your details and assigning a label to your Esim, like Mint Mobile. And that's it, you're connected. Your iPhone 14 with Mint Mobile is now ready to make calls, send texts, and browse the internet, all without the need for a physical SIM card. Enjoy the benefits of quick setup, easy plan management, and a sleek, modern mobile experience. Now you can stay connected anytime, anywhere, with the power of Esim technology from Mint Mobile.